Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally going to be diving into the brand new Natasha Denona Tan Bronze and Glow palette. I feel like I keep seeing everybody get theirs in the mail. They are doing their videos. I'm trying not to watch and I'm like, where's mine? Where is mine? I feel like it took longer or I was just impatient and anxious and really wanted it. It came in today and I could not wait to put this on my face. So this is what we're going to be talking about today. Again, Natasha Denona Tan Bronze and Glow palette. I'm going to give you guys all the information about this and swatches, yada yada, and you guys will also see the demo and then my thoughts on it at the end. So let me go ahead and tell you guys about the palette. The palette retails for $55. You can get it on her website, Sephora, or Beautylish. I got mine on Beautylish, but I'm going to be reading from the Sephora website just because I feel like they have everything nice and together. And I have to start off with telling you what this is. And on the Sephora website, it reads, a midi bronze and glow palette with shades of alluring bronze, creamy tan, and incandescent champagne. I think they meant to put mini, but hey, we'll go with midi. That's totally cool. When you open up the palette, you are getting a large mirror in here. I have not taken off that little film. And then 4 different shades. The first one right here is a glow cream base. So this is a little flat, just like the Bloom palette, but the other side is not a cream. This is a super glow right here. And then down here, we have the blush and bronze powder. So you're supposed to be able to use this either as a blush or a bronzer or a combination of the two, which is what I did today. And then the last shade is a glow impact powder. And I'm gonna show you guys the swatches now. Other things we need to know. The glow cream base is a hydrating luminous cream highlighter to give the skin the ultimate lit from within radiant glow. Super glow is a super soft highlighting powder that gives the skin an intense ethereal glass-like glow. This lightweight formula contains high level of crushed and milled chroma crystals mixed with crushed pearls. The Glow Impact Powder is a multi-dimensional metallic highlighting powder with a soft focus HD finish and a velvety smooth texture. Blush and Bronze Powder is a powder with smooth velvety texture that melts into the skin for seamless shaping, effortless blending, and maximum comfort. It sounds weird, maximum comfort, like, I don't know. Just a weird way to describe a makeup product, especially a powder. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Now let's go ahead and get into the demo. And just for reference, I am a light skin tone, not fair, but definitely don't have a tan either right now. I am an NC20 in MAC. And I already have all my base done. I have my eyes are already done pretty much other than the lower lash line. And then I have my powder on. So I have nothing else, no spray or anything. I'm starting off with the Blush and Bronze powder and I'm using a Royal & Lang Nickel BOM 36. I literally just tap in here one time first because I didn't want to add too much right away. Because as you can see, this is a pretty dark shade, but as you can see, the very first application where I just tap in one time, it's very light and blended out. So I feel like someone lighter than me would still be able to use this just based off like that one little application. Just don't put too much product on and use a fluffy brush. You will be good to go. I wanted to add a little bit more, so obviously I went in all over the face, and then I also added a little bit to my cheeks right here because I didn't want to use a blush with this. I didn't want anything else to be on my face other than this product right here, and it's kind of weird to see myself without a blush, but I kind of like it too. It's weird. Like I'm feeling the way my skin looks right now. I just feel like it looks fresh. Next, I'm going in with the Glow Cream Base and I'm using a damp sponge. This one is from L'Oreal. And I'm picking up the product and then I'm just tapping it onto my skin. This is not disturbing my makeup at all. Nothing is moving around and it gives a very soft glow to the skin. So if you wanted to just stop right here and only have this, you totally could, but you know I'm gonna go all out. Next, I'm going in with the Super Glow Powder on a cheek pro from Sonia G. And I'm kind of working this right on the outskirts of the cheek and I'm going over top of where we applied the cream base. I'm also bringing it kind of up on my forehead and stuff so I can get a nice glow out of this product. I feel like this just looks absolutely stunning. I feel like this just bumped everything up just a little bit and then we go in for the extreme shine. And this takes my breath away. I picked up a Stilazzi Prime. This is the L302. When I watched Natasha Denona's tutorial, she picked up a brush similar to this. So I was like, I'm gonna use this. And I'm taking the Glow Impact Powder. I just get a little bit on here and I'm telling you, it's like, bam, it is so intense and it is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. And you're not getting a lot of texture or anything on your skin. It's just absolute shine and amazingness. Now, of course, I always buff everything out. I like to keep everything seamless. So I went in with my Sisley powder and just buffed over everything. And this is the final result. In case it wasn't already evident in my enthusiastic voice, I am elated with this product. I feel like this really worked out beautifully on my skin. I like the way that everything looks, even without a blush. Like, I really thought that was going to be a big deal for me to only apply this, but really like the way that this looked. I even feel like I could go a little bit more in with the products and go just a little bit deeper and it would still be okay. I feel like everything in here worked really well. The only thing is, skin tone wise, I feel like fair, like lighter than me, fair skin tones could have an issue, not necessarily with these because I feel like they blend out so well that you probably still could use them, but the highlight might be a little bit too dark because it's probably going to leave a little bit of that kind of cast when you're looking straight on. But light, medium, tan, dark, I feel like this is going to work for. So it's going to work for a wide range of skin tones, but it's not going to work on everybody. If you're considering picking this up, I definitely say give it a shot because this is beautiful. This is definitely something that I'm going to want to reach for when I want like this bronzy type of skin. I just think this is absolutely stunning. But she killed it. She absolutely killed it. I think this is amazing. Let me know down below if you have tried this, if you want to try it, how do you think it looks on my skin? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.